The interior architecture of the penthouses that are designed by Herzog de Meuron have a gentle, familiar living experience, but yet break with the expected and the conventional. There are huge volumes and an immense luminosity here. It's a really unexpected and fascinating space to respond to. We love the idea of a collector living here, a curator perhaps, somebody that had travelled the world and had decided to assemble memories of all of their adventures. There were great opportunities to use the double-height space and also the internal courtyards that I've never seen anywhere else. These are architectural anchors which are unusually expressive. It's allowed us to play with this delicate balance between architecture and interiors, shaping the spaces and then creating their stories. The patina of a vintage piece, the story of its provenance, these are the things that show us how we live. I would hope people recognise the penthouses as world-class. They are extraordinary spaces you can't find anywhere else.